Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening to all the audiences around the globe, students and the professionals who will be watching this introductory video for my course Drilling Engineering 2. This is Professor Enamul Hossain, NSRIC Chair Professor in Sustainable Energy. I have 29 years of experience in academia and in oil and gas industry. I work different university around the globe, including Memorial University in Canada as an state oil chair professor. Today I will be introducing my one of the drilling engineering course where target audiences are diploma or vocational training student, university level student, all students who are interested in drilling engineering and a student who has completed my other drilling engineering course called Basics of Drilling Engineering 1 and the early professionals who are working in oil and gas industry in drilling sector. So the course is divided into 4 modules. Each module has 6 core lectures and each lectures contain at least 30 to 60 slides based on the material coverage. So for module 1, the course covers the pump calculation, efficiency, pump factor, hydraulic horsepower to design a mud pump for mud circulation system in drilling. In addition to a bit design, selection and evaluation. Then some workout example are added with the module 1 related to the material coverage. Module 2 covers extensively the bottom hole assembly and drill string design based on collapse, tension, torsion, rotary speed and so on. Then rate of penetration, that is ROP optimization technique, has been presented here in the module with some results, drill of tests and drilling response test. And in detail example has been set so that the course material that are covered in the lectures are clearly understood by the student. So this is a design module. In module 3, the course covers the fracture pressure and formation pore pressure estimation, then casing design all the way from handling, running and landing procedure, casing design by collapse, tension, burst. These are a complete design for casing. And then an introduction of directional drilling has been discussed here, including some definition of terminologies, importance and purpose of directional drilling, along with the illustrative examples based on the material coverage that are discussed in this module. Finally, the module 4 is an extensive discussion on directional drilling, including definition of terminologies such as azimuth, built up, inclination angle, kick-off point, and so on. Then it was stressed on well type, planning and directional drilling, well path, well trajectory, surveying instruments such as compass, electric and gyroscope, wellbore surveying technique such as average angle method, balanced tangential method, minimum curvature method, radius of curvature and so on. This course will give you a comprehensive design and the calculation on different aspects of directional drilling. As we mentioned, the course is in-depth analysis of some of the area that drilling engineering and drilling engineers should know and in depth. So with this, I welcome all of you to register the course so that you understand clearly about the drilling engineering. Thank you very much. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.